Have you ever told a personal story and people rolled their eyes when they were listening? Be honest. It happened to me many times. And the reason why people roll their eyes when you tell a personal story is because you were not telling a story. The reason why people roll their eyes when you tell a personal story is because you started going off on a tangent. You did one of these three things. You gave too many irrelevant details. You started intellectualizing the story in the middle of the story. And you started giving too many personal interpretations of the story without finishing the story. These three things piss people off, and that's why they roll their eyes when you're telling a personal story. Okay? Do you agree? Say yes if you agree. It pisses me off. So the three things that people want to hear when you're sharing a personal story are these three things. Where was it? What happened? How it ended. That's it. No more. They don't want irrelevant details. They don't want intellectualizing in the middle of the story. They don't want to hear your personal opinion in the middle of the story. They just want to know, where was it? What happened? How it ended? So that's the only thing that you should share. And if you want some support in sharing this Monday I'm giving a story masterclass. It's a free story masterclass. It's going to be Monday. And if you want to come, I'm going to teach you in just 3 minutes. I'm going to teach you how to do this. I'm going to give you my story framework, how to cut out all the fluff and just tell stories. So that when you tell stories, people actually want to hear them. Instead of rolling their eyes. And that's going to give you confidence to share more stories and to be engaging, entertaining, empowering. It's something just so beautiful. And the wonderful thing is that you're going to start hearing, you're going to hear some examples of my students that before they thought, oh, this story is completely irrelevant, but we turned it into a captivating story. So come this Monday to the story masterclass. It's a free story masterclass. It's not going to be streamed publicly, so you got to register. So say story in the comments and I'll give you the Zoom details for you to be there. Start sharing stories worth sharing. Start being engaging, entertaining, empowering, and feel more confident while speaking. Okay? Remember the three things. Bye.